Hey my homies, what is up? It's Vlogmas day 18, yes? And I'm stuck in Iceland for 2 more days because all flights are cancelled because of the sandstorm I told you yesterday. Big surprise. I don't know how I imagined that I'd be able to travel back home, but yep, this is the situation we're dealing with right now. But at least it's a good place to be stuck in, as you can see. Looks pretty dope. And you know, when there's no pressure to do anything, all there's left to do is have fun. So let's have fun. Yeah, no, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record Hey, so we're jumping straight in today, 20 of the vlogmas, because yesterday obviously I couldn't really film much. We were just stuck in a hotel. We tried to like take our car and just at night go see something, maybe get lucky and see the northern lights again, but that wasn't really the case. We didn't manage to see anything. So I just did a really cute little shuffle dance. If you want to see it, like, go check it out on my Instagram profile. And yeah, basically, long story short, yesterday the flight was cancelled. We couldn't go anywhere, and the flight got postponed on today. Today is the 20th of December, but we just got notified that the flight is also cancelled today because the snowstorm is still very powerful, and so we will fly back home to Amsterdam tomorrow on the 21st. But great news, the roads are open again and we can go to the Blue Lagoon, which is like a place full of hot springs and really dope landscapes where we're gonna stay a bit in the pool. And so I'm just gonna slap on some makeup real quick and yeah, take you guys with us, because this is basically my favorite moment of this whole trip. Can't wait to just put a swimsuit on and maybe do a little shuffle moment there too, but if not, just really chill and enjoy a vacation. This will just warm my entire soul. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, makeup transition. Okay, so this is it. Easy, just my normal day-to-day makeup. I don't want to do too much because if I'm gonna be in the pool, then I don't want to risk everything falling down. And I'm gonna just put my hair down. Is that cleaning? Thought I heard something. Okay, so this is hair. Not doing much because I don't have any kind of equipment to do much, but it's okay. Cool, let's go to the Blue Lagoon. Outfit check. You can't see much. Oh my god, so it's so cold outside that I simply cannot. I'm just gonna put the hat on. It's literally freezing. I'm gonna look super stupid, but I can't, like, I just can't. Oh my god, guys, it's official. We're getting off the rock. So let's get to packing real quick. Life update. I was trying to pull the curtains yesterday night and something from the curtains fell straight on my little toe and now I can't walk. So that's just perfect because now I'm gonna need to like travel all around the airport and in Amsterdam. Yeah, it's fine. I love that too. I love life too. Bye. Oh, by the way, a little break. I only wore these pants once and they have a huge crack in their butthole. Just here. That's great. I'm going to return them. Done! And so basically I made it to the airport and I came here to like drink a coffee and sooner than later I put all the sugar into my water because I'm just too sleepy for this. I just want to go home. So we made it back to Amsterdam and now we bought like some tickets to go on this like cruise over the canals of Amsterdam. It's really nice because it's like light festival and a lot of really nice stories at every like artistic point. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you a few moments. And it's kind of hard to see because it's super dark, but I'm gonna show it here. Okay, let's see.
Niet met een stift, maar met licht.
Hey besties, and just like that, the end of those two vlogmas days, day 19 and day 20 is finally coming to an end. They've been absolutely chaotic and that's why I've tried to like stick them together because otherwise I wouldn't have had time to like, you know, sleep because basically we didn't really know when we were supposed to like have the flights to come back home to Amsterdam. And like on the last minute we found out that actually the flight is not the next day in the afternoon as we presumed, but they moved it in the morning at like 10 o'clock in the morning, so we needed to like take our car and drop it off at the car rental and so on and do everything. So we woke up basically at 6 a.m. and did everything, so I really didn't have any time at all to upload all of my raw footage and send it over to editing, because that would have meant simply not sleeping at all, because I don't know if I told you, but I didn't take the cable with me to transfer files to the laptop, and so I was doing it all the time by Bluetooth, it was taking me basically 4 hours every time to do that, but I did it because I really wanted to be able to post daily content. But it's just sometimes, you know, you need to like prioritize your well-being, so that's what we did. And yeah, definitely 100% the highlights of our trip to Iceland were seeing the Northern Lights. One, that's pretty much something unique that we're never ever gonna see somewhere else. Two, the whole snowstorm situation, that was also very unique, and I've never had my eyelashes frozen, or I've never been through such low temperatures or strong winds ever before, so that was also quite something that I'm gonna remember forever. And three, the Blue Lagoon was absolutely amazing and relaxing, and even though it was freezing outside, water was just so nice. and we had some masks for the face and so on. So relaxing. The last day was just chill. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching this video as well, and can't wait to keep you updated with all of my activities tomorrow too, on day 21 of Vlogmas. Okay, kisses, love you, thank you for watching, bye!